Welcome to 8611 Shaenfield. We have a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom to show you. Gorgeous trees and landscaping here at this home. Come on in, we're gonna take a look inside. As you're walking through the front door, you walk into this great living area with a beautiful window that lets in all this natural light. And then you can come on in. There is a 1-car garage here on the right. And then on into the dining area and the kitchen here on the right-hand side. Everything you need. It does come with the refrigerator. And then we've got a doorway through the kitchen to the side patio. Coming on down the hallway, you've got a bathroom here on the left-hand side, and that is the hall bath. And then we have 2 bedrooms on the right-hand side. We'll take a look at those next. Going on into the bedroom here on the right-hand side, we've got the ceiling fan, got a nice large window letting in a lot of light from the yard. And then we'll be coming on into the 2nd bedroom here. This one has an exterior door taking us out to the patio outside, and we'll take a look outside in just a minute. Stepping onto the patio, you can see there's a nice concrete slab here where you could put your barbecue pit. We do have a fire pit here in the yard. We've got a grassy area, fully fenced in backyard, beautiful shade trees all around the yard. And then we've got a side yard here as well. So it's perfect for any pets, any dogs running around this fully fenced backyard, but a great place to enjoy barbecuing and spending time with your family and friends right here in the backyard. Stepping on into the master bedroom here, we've got this nice, very large window that looks out into the backyard. And then we've got the dual vanity sinks, and it has this beautifully tiled shower and floor to ceiling, very large, oversized stand-up shower that you can just walk in, and it's extremely spacious here. So it's 1,390 square feet altogether. Take another look right here at this great living area, dining area, kitchen floor plan. It's got beautiful laminate wood flooring here throughout the living space and on into the hallways. If you want to take a look at this house, I'd love to show it to you. Give me a call, 210-313-1010, and we'll take a look. Thanks.